Hey Kevin, I thought that your lesson plan was really, really good. I really liked how you used technology in a way that it was really integrated. It wasn't just thrown in there. They were really using it to help them learn, and I thought that was really good. Looking at the rubric for the connection among content, pedagogical approach, and technology, I said that it was proficient because I didn't see in your lesson plan where it included a description of the connections. For your rationale for instructional strategy, I also gave you proficient only because I couldn't find where you tied it to a learning theory. For the appropriateness of technology for instructor and student use, I said that you're proficient only because you didn't include reasons why other technologies were not chosen. For your alignment to state standards for content and computer skills, I said you were above proficient. I thought you did really well with that. For completeness, I said you were proficient because I couldn't find where you addressed Bloom's taxonomy, and I didn't see any accommodations for students with special needs. And then finally, your language and mechanics, I gave you proficient just because I don't think anyone is perfect at that, so I thought you did really well still. Overall, it's really, really good. I really enjoyed it. I thought it was going to be a really great lesson, and great job.